To add a second account on Amazon, first open the Amazon website on your laptop and sign in to your current account. Next, move your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right corner and click Switch Accounts. In the menu that appears, look for the Add Account option and select it. Amazon will then ask you to sign in to the second Amazon account you want to add. Enter the email address or mobile number and password for that account. Then complete any verification steps if prompted. Once the second account has been added, you can return to Account and Lists, select Switch Accounts, and choose the account you want to use. This makes it easier to switch between your Amazon accounts without having to manually sign out each time.